Welcome to Max Johnson Channel. I get a box.
From?
Amazon.
Oh. It just showed up?
Yeah.
Do you know what's in it?
No.
All right. Well then. Do what you must. Don't do that. That might, whatever's in it might break if you do that. Don't do that. I wouldn't shake it either. You don't know what's in it. What if it was something fragile?
I can tell you it's not a shirt.
Oh, yeah. What is it? What is it?
It's Obi Wan Kenobi.
What? No, it's not.
Mexican Obi Wan.
What? Let's see. Oh, from the Obi Wan Kenobi show. The figure, Star Wars. It's Obi Wan, Wandering Jedi. Oh, so it's what he looked like in the show. Very cool. That is awesome. You can open it? Of course you can open it. No, it's no longer a collectible. Although you don't care if it's a collectible. Yes, my glasses almost fell off the table. Very cool. Let's see him up close after you're done. What does he come with?
2 versions of Leia's droid.
Oh. What's it, Lola? Lola, right? Was that her name?
Yeah. Leia's little tiny droid. One floating.
Oh, yeah.
No,
yeah.
just leave it there.
Well, they can't see it. There it is. See? I don't know if you can see that.
The Stone of Shame.
There's Lola. One Lola.
His blaster.
His tiny blaster. Oops, where is it? There it is right there. Which he doesn't really like using, but he uses it anyway.
His lightsaber.
His lightsaber. Which he uses in the show, yes.
Obi-Wan. Not yet.
And Obi-Wan? Where's Obi-Wan?
I can't get out his lightsaber hilt on the other version of Lola.
Okay.
L-O-L-A, Lola.
Because it's taped in, dude. The lightsaber's taped in.
No.
That's why. You might need the scissors to cut off the tape. There we go.
Why does he look like our version of Obi-Wan?
What do you mean?
Or our version of Episode 2 Obi-Wan?
Because he still kind of had his longer hair in this one. Remember? All right, there's the hilt. What's
Why
this?
is he leaning forward?
What's this one? Oh, this is the other version of Lola?
L-O-L-A.
Lola.
Y-O-D-A.
Yoda.
I met the little one down in Dagoba.
There's a couple of pieces to this thing.
Why pieces? Maybe you just broke it.
No, I didn't.
His hands. His hands are covered by all the robes.
Oh, yeah?
His hands are covered by Jedi robes.
Oh, is that what it is? My fingers are too big, but this piece is supposed to go in here. Right? It's supposed to snap in there, but I can't do it because my fingers are too fat.
Oh, well.
So that, and then this, I think this snaps onto the bottom. So here you go. 2 pieces there for that. And here's his lightsaber.
Still trying to get his blaster in the holster.
Yeah, he did. Oh, yeah, he does have it in the holster, right? Okay, let's just see Obi-Wan.
There.
Oh, it's even got a cloth cape. Look at that. Hello, Obi. How are you? I'm fine. Take his hood off so you can see his face. There you go. He's a beaten and very sad Obi-Wan, isn't he?
Why?
Well, you know, if you watch the show, you know why. Can't get him to stand. Does he stand? Stand. Stand, Obi.
I can't.
There you go. He's standing. Oh, wait, there he goes.
If you're gonna steal my parts, can you at least have the courtesy to clean them first?
Cleaning costs extra. And that, for those who haven't seen the show, was his Jawa friend in the first episode. Right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So this is cool because this was Mikey's new favorite show.
Where is his lightsaber holster? Or
I don't know.
where does his lightsaber connect?
Okay.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
And look for our Legoland videos starting this weekend.
No, starting tomorrow.
Tomorrow, right? Well, no, they'll be up this weekend because we're going to be there for 2 days.
Oh, yeah.